Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for yearly exams. Start by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down complex topics into smaller, digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Understanding your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, will help you select the best study techniques. This structured approach ensures you cover all material efficiently and effectively. Passive reading is often ineffective. Instead, engage in active recall. After studying a section, try to remember key points without looking at your notes. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing facts and definitions. Additionally, explaining difficult concepts to someone else, or even to yourself, helps to clarify your thoughts and reveals areas where you need more review. This deep engagement improves retention.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key for focus, and the Owala water bottle makes it super easy to drink enough water throughout your study day. It's a fantastic product. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Before diving deep, ensure all your study materials are organized and easily accessible. This includes textbooks, class notes, and any previous exam papers. Keep your notes neat and structured with clear headings and bullet points, making them easier to review. Don't hesitate to explore online resources such as educational videos or practice quizzes, which can offer different perspectives and reinforce learning. Your physical and mental well-being are crucial for effective studying. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, as this significantly impacts memory and concentration. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to avoid fatigue and maintain peak performance. Remember to stay hydrated and consume nutritious foods. A well-nourished brain functions much better under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.